Disclaimer. We strongly support Article 19 of Indian Constitution about freedom of speech and expression. We respect all religions. Our intention is not to hurt anyone's religious or social sentiments. This video, including examples, images, and references, are provided for entertainment and educational purposes only, and channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. Our aim is only to awaken the society.
अब ब्रदर अहमद ये कह रहे हैं कि ये हमसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आपको मालूम है कि मोहम्मद साहब ने अपनी आंटी के साथ हमबिस्तरी की थी, इंटरकोर्स किया था, सेक्स किया था
आंटी हौला के साथ।
खौला बिनते हाकिम। वही खौला बिनते हाकिम है जिन्होंने हजरत आयशा और हजरत सौदा का रिश्ता बताया था मोहम्मद साहब को, वरना ये रिश्ता उनके गुमान में भी नहीं था। ठीक है, तो हमने अहमद से पूछा क्या ये आप प्रूव कर सकते हो, तो उन्होंने कहा हाँ मैं प्रूव कर सकता हूँ, तो हम उनसे हवाला ले रहे हैं। Yes, brother Ahmed, can you share the
now
reference?
We will open together Sahih Muslim. Let me flip the camera. Sahih Muslim, hadith number 1464a. Aisha said, Aisha reported, I feel jealous of the women who offered themselves to Allah's messenger, and said, then when Allah the exalted and the glorious revealed this, you may defer any one of them you wish, and take to yourself any you wish, and if you desire any you have set aside.
Let me translate.
Yes.
So क्या ये हदीस है बुखारी की 5114 भी है, और ये सही मुस्लिम की हदीस है जो दिखा रहे हैं 1464। इसके अंदर आयशा जो है वो जेलस फील करती थी कि कोई भी लड़की के साथ मोहम्मद जो है डिंग डोंग बिंग बोंग कर लेता था, तो उसकी वजह से कुरान की जो आयत है 3350 आई थी कि, और 3350 आयत है कि तुम जिसको चाहो, जिसकी तुम्हें दिल करे उसको रख लो, और जिसको दिल करे उसको जरा साइड पे रख दो। 3351 है, सॉरी 3351 है ये, जिसको साइड पे रख लो और जिसको चाहो अपने पास ले लो। और इसके बाद आयशा की जो है ना जेलसी थोड़ी सी हती थी, तो ये उसने हदीस दिखाई है इस वक्त टू बिगिन विद। अब इस हदीस की शरह दिखाएगा। विच शरह आर यू शोइंग? शरह नबविया और हमलिया of Sahih Muslim? What are you showing now?
Sahih Muslim, I show it, and you can find it in Sahih al-Bukhari too. And I have another, hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari, hadith number 4788.
4788, okay.
Yes. There we can find it. Khawla bint Hakim al-Salamiyya, she came to the Muhammad and she offered themselves to the Muhammad to do dingy dingy with her, according Surah Al-Ahzab, verse 50. Yeah.
So we got the new term, dingy dingy.
Yeah, I say ding dong, he say dingy dingy. So we have a little bit of a change in here.
According my language, dingy dingy.
Yeah, according my language is ding dong.
और हम लोग के वहाँ गपा गप।
हिंदी में गपा गप।
हाँ ये दिखाओ ना, ये हदीस दिखाओ ना, कौन सी वाली है?
It is here, it's showing. Yeah. This is the hadith. But in this hadith, it doesn't say hawla.
I will. No, I will give you hadith. You say khawla 100%. Khawla, one of them, she offered themselves to the Prophet, peace be behind him.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. خولة بنت حكيم، وكانت خولة بنت حكيم إحدى اللاتي وهبن أنفسهن لرسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Let me bring the hadith for you.
Yeah, which one is that? Give me the number. MashaAllah, you have remembered the hadith.
صحيح. قالت كنت أغار. According to tafsir also, but if we go to hadith, this is hadith in Sunan al-Bayhaqi. Do you have it?
No, Sunan al-Bayhaqi, you have to go into the Arabic one.
Yeah, I can read it.
Yeah, you have to go to Muqtada.
Sunan al-Bayhaqi. Let me prove it, the hadith in Arabic language, and we'll try to translate to English. Okay? Because those cowards are scaring to translate everything to English.
Yeah, they don't translate these things because these
are
destructive.
And the other, yeah, you just can found it in Arabic language like those hadiths. But I thank God We know Arabic language perfect, so that's my mother tongue.
They cannot fool.
Okay,
Yeah, they
so
cannot running away.
अहमद कह रहा है कि मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ, ये सुनन बहकी के अंदर लिखी हुई है, जो कि वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट सुनन बुक्स में से शामिल की जाती है, और इसकी चूंकि इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन नहीं है, तो लिहाजा वो आपको अब अरबी में दिखाएगा। और ये डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स हैं जो कि मैं भी आप लोगों को अक्सर कभी
Yeah,
इंग्लिश अरबी
if you
वेबसाइट
open
दिखाता
Sahih al-Bukhari
हूँ।
511.3, 5113, check it.
ओके,
Because he's in
511
Arabic. In Arabic, he show me in 5113, Sahih al-Bukhari.
Okay, we have Khawla bint. Oh, we have Khawla. There you
Yeah,
go.
go ahead.
Showing it on
There you
screen.
go.
Ahmed is
There
so
we go.
happy.
Okay, Khawla bint Hakim was one of those ladies who presented themselves to the Prophet. Okay, let's see if we have Urdu. We have Urdu, mashallah. हजरत खोला बिनते हकीम इन औरतों में से थी जिन्होंने अपने आप को रसूलुल्लाह के लिए हिबा किया था। और ये हिबा कुरान 3350 के अंदर, कुरान के अंदर है कि जो औरत अपने आप को हिबा कर ले, मोहम्मद उसका टिंग टोंग मचा ले। इस पर हजरत आयशा ने कहा था कि एक औरत अपने आप को मर्द, किसी भी मर्द के लिए कैसे हिबा करती है, शर्माती नहीं है, उसे शर्म नहीं आती, बगैरत। फिर ये आयत उतरी थी 3350 3351, ए पैगंबर तू अपनी जिस बीवी को, बीवी नहीं जिसके साथ डिंग डोंग की है तूने, वो बीवी नहीं बन जाती, को चाहे पीछे डाल दे, जिसे चाहे अपने पास रख ले, क्योंकि बीवी को आप पीछे नहीं डाल सकते, उसको डिवोर्स नहीं कर सकते, उसको डिवोर्स करना है, डिवोर्स किया तो वापस ले नहीं सकते, तो लिहाजा 3350 में बीवी नहीं है। नाजिल हुई तो मैंने कहा या रसूलुल्लाह, अब मैं समझती हूँ अल्लाह ताला जल्द जल्द आपकी खुशी को पूरा करता है, यानी कि जिसको आप डिंग डोंग मचाना चाहते हैं अल्लाह उसके लिए आयत दे देता है। यस ब्रदर।
Yes, and Khawla bint Hakim al-Salamiyya, one day, she came to the Muhammad, according Musnad Ahmed, I'm trying to find it for you. She came to the Muhammad and she asked Muhammad, she found it a wet dream. So what should do? Muhammad, he told her, do ghusl al-janaba.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, she see it in her dream, wet dream. And she came to him. She asked him, according Bukhari, let me prove it for you from Bukhari. عن المرأة تحتلم. Yeah, so we want someone to explain it. Why, peace be behind him, Muhammad sleep with his auntie, mother, sister, Khawla bint Hakim al-Salamiyya. For which reason? Is that morality? And you're
Okay.
saying, oh, Muhammad is a khayru khalqillah, is the best one of the people, is all mercy.
और अहमद कह रहा है कि मुसलमानों में से कौन सा ऐसा है कि वो मोहम्मद सलामती हो उसके पिछवाड़े के ऊपर, पीस बी बिहाइंड हिम, ये साबित करे कि वो अपनी आंटी के साथ डिंग डोंग क्यों फरमा रेला था, और क्या इसके अंदर नबूवत की इतनी बड़ी गेम है कि वो अपनी आंटी के साथ डिंग डोंग फरमाए।
Yes, if you open with me Sunan al-Nasa'i, hadith number 198. 198. Sunan al-Nasa'i. In
Alright.
sunan.com you can find it.
Yeah, coming. Sunan an-Nisa'i 198.
And
Rasulullah was
if you want, go to Sahih al-Bukhari too. 3328.
Okay, let's do one by one. So this is Sunan an-Nisa'i. And what else do you want?
Just read it.
Okay, Sunan an-Nisa'i. I asked the Messenger of Allah, मैंने अल्लाह के पैगंबर peace be behind him से पूछा about a woman, एक औरत के बारे में, who has a wet dream, जिसको एक गीला ख्वाब आया था, and he said if she sees water let her perform ghusl, और अगर उसका पानी निकल आया है तो उसको गुस्ल करना है जनाबी का पानी।
She didn't feel shame. She's auntie. How can the auntie came to him and to ask him, oh, I see what a dream in my sleep yesterday. How can I do? Man, where's the morality?
आंटी की मोरालिटी किधर मर गई है कि आंटी जो है अपने बच्चे के पास आ रही है, बेटे के पास आ रही है कि बेटा रात को मेरे को ख्वाब आया, उस मेरा पानी निकल गया।
एक सिर्फ करेक्शन कर दूं कि वो जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है, इट्स नॉट अबाउट हरसेल्फ।
Yeah, so you can find it this hadith too in Sahih al-Bukhari 3328.
3328.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, where's my screen? Okay, somebody else is sharing now. Okay. The Sahih al-Bukhari is narrated from Zainab bint Abi Salama. Salama said, Allah Messenger said, Allah does not refrain from saying truth. Allah सच बोलने से नहीं रुक चूकता, सिर्फ मोहम्मद ही चूकता है. Is it obligatory for a woman to take a bath after she gets nuchral discharge? जब उसका पानी निकल जाता है. He said, yes, if she notices the water, the discharge, so yes. Salama smiled and said, does a woman get discharge? क्या वो हंसी मुस्कुराई उसने कहा हे क्या औरत का पानी निकलता है ख्वाब में. Allah Apostle said, then why does a child resemble its mother?
And I have the
so
hadith.
So in this hadith, it means she was not having a wet dream. She just said it because she wanted attention.
She wanted dingy dingy.
She
She opened the door in front of him for didn't feel shy. Yeah.
Exactly.
And from where we can see this lady, she is Muhammad auntie from Musnad al-Imam Ahmed.
Okay. Let me
In
zoom
Musnad,
him. Let me zoom you for. Yeah.
in Musnad al-Imam Ahmed, volume 45, page number 292. Musnad al-Qaba'il. There you go. Musnad al-Qaba'il. Musnad Khawla bint Hakim. The hadith number 27313. حدثنا محمد بن جعفر قال حدثنا شعبة وحجاج قال حدثني شعبة قال سمعت عطاء الخرساني يحدث عن سعيد بن المسيب أن خولة بنت حكيم السلمية وهي إحدى خالات النبي, one of Muhammad auntie. Let me translate
Khala of Muhammad कि वो Muhammad की खाला थी, आंटी थी, Muhammad आंटी के साथ डिंगी डिंगी. I think we just already did the translation in Urdu.
See, there is in English translate. Mother, she is a mother's sister. Wonderful. Exactly. Wonderful. So Prophet Muhammad, peace be behind him, he also did dingy dingy with his auntie, man. What kind of prophet you following? I just want to understand what kind of prophet. If you ask the animal didn't do that, man. The animal, the sheep, the dog didn't do that. How can you telling me Muhammad is a prophet from the Creator and he sleep with his mother, sister, with auntie?
खाला के साथ. भाई लोगों खाला के साथ कैसे कर सकते हैं? साहिल भाई खाला के साथ, माँ की बहन.
And in Tafsir, also Tafsir Surah Al-Ahzab 33 verse 50, if you go to Tafsir Al-Qurtubi, they told you Khawla bint Hakim al-Salamiyya, she offered themselves to the Muhammad to sleep with her.
La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah.
Yeah, but I also read somewhere that Muhammad declined the offer, something like that.
No, he already slept with her. He took it. And Aisha feel jealous, man. Aisha feel jealous. Aisha, she said, how can the woman offer themselves to the man to do dingy dingy with her? Aisha feeling jealous from Khawla. Yeah, Muhammad is the first one sleep with her, his auntie? No. He slept also with a mother of Ali. Fatima. He slept with the Fatima Ali in a grave. In a grave.
I have a problem with that. Let me be on the Muslim side for now. All the ahadith that I have studied on that one, it does not say that he had nikah or sex with her.
Okay.
Rather,
in
he
Arabic,
just went in the grave.
I will explain it something for you.
Perfect.
In Arabic language, we call for the dingy dingy not just only nikah. No. الضجاع, الضجعة, الضجعة, which means ding dong, dingy dingy. And Muhammad, he said, الضجعت معها. I dingy dingy with her.
Okay, which hadith is that one?
Okay, let me prove it.
Because I just have the I have the hadith with the sleeping word in it. What do you call it in Arabic?
No, الضجع in Arabic language, which means I will show it now in front of you from Arabic language.
Please.
Yes, الضجع, which means in Arabic, sleep.
Yeah, come more often in India. You are exposing the things which I cannot
Yeah.
expose.
Okay. Let me pull it up now. Al-Maktab al-Shamila. To open the
And
hadith first.
is that an authentic hadith?
Who told you
It
that?
will say that.
According what?
He's asking,
Uh,
is it a authentic hadith?
Okay. According what? Not authentic. Where's the problem in hadith?
we are just asking Ahmad,
Ah,
is it
no,
an
no, the
authentic hadith?
hadith. No, no, the good hadith.
Okay.
Yeah, في الجامع you can find it in الجامع الكبير in Imam السيوطي. You can find it في معرفة الصحابة لأبي نعيم. You can find it in المعجم الأوسط للطبراني. You can find it in a lot of books. Not only one book he said it. Let me go to Imam السيوطي and let me prove it to you is hadith رجاله ثقات is authentic.
Oh,
Come.
Subhanallah,
आज तो पूरी
Subhanallah.
धोती खोल रहा है यार अहमद तो.
Okay, Maktab
So
al-Shamila,
there you go. Look
which
here.
page? Which
Look
page?
here.
Give me the page and the safa, and I will open it.
رجاله ثقات. There you go.
This is remove the. Okay, wait. This is Swad is 36. Wait. Jim is 33. Swad is 201. Wait. Jim is 36. Okay, let me just open it in a big screen because this everyone needs to see in the big screen. 36 and Swad Safa is 201. Give me a second. Safa is 201. All right, we have it. 36201. I am showing it on screen, brother, now, so that you can read it here.
Yes. So let me read it from your side.
Okay. This one, right? كتاب الرئيس
No, not عن ابن عباس بلفظ غير no, not this. حرف العين. Where you go? So page hadith number 39102.
This is Maktab al-Shamila or
No,
what?
no. You go to archive. You are in archive. I
I'm
needed
in
the
the wrong one.
kitab, the book of Jami' al-Ahadith for Imam al-Sayuti.
Okay, you need Sayuti. Wait, let me just pull it out. Give me a
The
second.
book of Jami' al-Ahadith for Imam al-Sayuti.
Okay, give me 1 minute, my friend.
Okay, brother.
Okay, brother, this is the one that you sent. I'm zooming it in. Ibn Abbas. Okay. This is the one. This is the one, right?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. عن ابن عباس قال لما ماتت فاطمة أم علي خلع رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قميصه وألبسها إياه واضطجع في قبرها. الضجع meaning, let me show you in Arabic language. الضجع meaning dingy dingy. In Arabic language. معنى الضجع. الضجع meaning sleep dingy dingy. Let me show you here. In Arabic language dictionary. In Arabic dictionary, one of الضجع meaning sleep dingy dingy. One of meaning. So we can understand the meaning of the word from the content. So from the content we can understand the meaning of the word. الضجع ضجاعا مضاجعة which mean dingy dingy also. In Arabic dictionary in قاموس المعاني or قاموس المحيط or لسان العرب لابن منصور. One of the meaning of ضجعة dingy dingy. So which means peace be behind him. He not just only do dingy dingy with his auntie, no, with also the mother of Ali, and Ali his cousin. There you go. For which reason? Peace be behind you. Ashraf al-Khalq, you said? No.
In the
It's not Ashraf
Maani,
al-Khalq.
in the dictionary Maani, it says embedded. MashaAllah. Embedded. So it has meaning as lie down as well as embedding means. Let me give you another one. This is about the gaze. It was given as a gaze as well. Check this out. This is how it is used in Arabic. God's law to the Israelites: when a man lies down with a male, the same one lies down with a woman. Both of them has done a bad thing, detestable thing. This lie down is used as sex, sexual lying down. This is Glosp, Arabic dictionary, right? This lie down, ये सोना, ये वो है कि लेट जाना, ये means with a male, same as with a female. Both are detestable. So this is another way of representing sexual doing. अगर आप गूगल ट्रांसलेट में भी देखें तो वदा का जो बेस वर्ड है दाजा, ठीक है, गेट लेड, यानी कि उसके साथ सेक्स करना, गेट लेड, ठीक है, ये उसका जो बेस वर्ड है.
Brother, super easy in Arabic language. Let Arabic language the understanding 100%. So if you want to use Google Translate, blah, 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 it didn't give you the meaning of the word, because the verb coming from اضطجع مضاجعة اضطجاع. If I go to, for example, اضطجع مع الامرأة or مضاجعة المرأة, go to معجم المعاني, مضاجعة, go to معجم المعاني.
Okay.
مضاجعة, he literally will give you dingy dingy was hurt.
We got it. But I showed it on multiple dictionaries.
Look here, brother, huh? See here?
Okay,
we have to go to the work of this verb. So here, الضجعة came from مضاجعة. مضاجعة, which means sleep with her. Dingy dingy.
Yep, getting laid.
See?
MashaAllah.
ضاجع يضاجع مضاجعة وضاجع زوجته إذا اضطجع معها، فالمضاجعة هو النوم معها بلا بلا بلا.
Okay, Ali, I think we lost you. Ahmed, sorry, we lost you.
Okay. See, مضاجعة المرأة مجامعتها. دنجي دنجي. الاضطجاع معها. You cannot use Google Translate for this, because this word they can give you a lot of meaning, but you can understand the word from the content. So Muhammad, he already اضطجع with a woman, right?
Absolutely.
So there you go. مضاجعة المرأة مجامعتها. دنجي دنجي. المعجم المعاني.
Subhanallah, Subhanallah.
See? تعريف ومعنى مضاجعة في معجم المعاني، معجم عربي. ضاجعة مضاجعة المرأة مجامعتها. دنجي دنجي. Congratulations.
Ahmed, check this hadith. An Ibn Abbas, this is also called as-Sahih, but sanad Hasan, not Sahih. The one that you showed is Sahih.
Yeah, Hasan, which means Hasan, we can put it in the corner of Sahih, because we have no issues.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's acceptable.
Can you read this line for it, because An Ibn Abbas, because this is very important.
No problem. An Ibn Abbas قال.
Ibn Abbas said, Abbas ने कहा,
وَاضْطَجَعَ في قبرها فلما سوي عليها التراب قال بعضهم يا رسول الله رأيناك صنعت شيئا لم تصنعه بأحد.
You're just reading the Arabic and we lost you for the second. So let's go to the first part first.
Yes. So when the Fatima Ali was died, Muhammad, he took off his shirt and put it on her, and he slept with her.
So basically Muhammad actually took off his own shirt and then went to her grave and then mut'a with her.
Yes. And the people be confused. Oh, Prophet, you did something we never see it before.
हमने कभी किसी बंदे को एक मुर्दा औरत के साथ डिंगी करते हुए नहीं देखा.
From here you can see in Sunnah have it nikah al-wada'. In Sunnah we have something named nikah al-wada', which means dingy bye bye.
Dingy with mud'a with.
Yeah, dingy was anyone have a woman she was die, Last time he can do dingy dingy with her and put it in the grave.
And that is
We
why
call
in
we called in Arabic
2012,
nikahul wada.
Nikahul Wada.
Yeah.
In 2012, the Arabic sheikh in Egypt created a fatwa that you can do the bye-bye sex with a dead wife for 6 hours after she's dead.
Yep.
So necrophilia in Islam is actually dammak halal.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. This is a very important topic. I never wanted to do it myself. A lot of people actually asked me in the past that Adam, why don't you expose Muhammad, who was doing dingy dingy in the grave? And I was like, according to what the translators are saying, he just went into the grave. But you are the right person to expose this. I am not. So mashallah that you came and you demolished that, sir. Thank you so very much, my friend.
Brother, let me tell you something in Arabic language. I will give you example. Let me give you example in Arabic language.
Yes.
So now each word in Arabic language have a lot of meaning. For example, if I said ayn in Arabic have a different totally meaning, but we can understand the meaning from the content. For example, if I said this is my eye, he meaning literally physically hand, eye. If I said that is eye of water, that is eye of water, which means well of water, right? If I said, for example, Adam, eye of ex-Muslim, which means he's the top of ex-Muslim, he's the leader of ex-Muslim. If I said, for example, Hamza, he insult me, eye of India government, which means he's jasus. See how many meaning in I? Only I, according content. So now we come back to Arabic dictionary. For example, الضجعة. Give me the فعل مفعول به جذر الكلمة. جذر الكلمة الضجاع فاعل مضجع مفعول به مضجع بها الفعل الضجعة. The meaning here, according to this context, dingy dingy.
Good.
Very clear. الضجعة مضاجعة اضطجاعا. Very clear. Any word in Arabic, we have to go back to dictionary of Arabic language. For example, if I said we have something named in Arabic al-muwazana, al-mufa'ala. For example, if I said عمل, doing, عمل, عمل عامل معمول عمل به, coming from عمل. So everything in Arabic, we have to go back to the content and to Arabic dictionary we called al-mufa'ala, ala wazn al-mufa'ala, which means mudaja'a, mufa'ala, الضجعة, fa'ala, did. Already he did. He
Very
cannot
well.
running away from, because my language, nobody can say no. It's my language. If he want to say no, he has to prove it for me from my language. In my language, مضاجعة المرأة, which means dingy dingy with the woman. Very clear. الضجع مع امرأته. He do dingy dingy with his wife. You cannot say الضجع meaning different meaning. No, because we have here a woman. If a man, we can see maybe he sleep beside him. But we have a woman here, and he took off here his shirt, right?
Exactly. This is because this is Hassan. The one that you showed is actually Sahih. So if you combine both, Muhammad explicitly did ding dong. You are changing my word, man. My word is ding dong. Your word is dingy dingy. But they are both equal.
My words are from long time dingy dingy.
Okay, your word is dingy dingy. My word is ding dong. So Muhammad did
Yeah.
the ding dong with the mother of Ali in the grave.
And
Mashallah.
yes, and
उर्दू में भी
according
translate कर दो
Imam Shafi'i,
Adam.
Okay,
according
sorry.
Madhab Shafi'i and
So,
Madhab al-Hanbali, we have something 6 bye 6 or
Bye-bye
dingy dingy bye. According Imam Shafi'i, according Imam al-Hanbali.
Imam Hanbal, Imam Shafi.
Yes.
Let me translate for the people because Sahil
Yeah.
just said कि we need to translate. So guys, मैं ये बोल रहा था कि इससे पहले यूजुअली बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे टेक्स्ट भी किया था कि इसको एक्सपोज करो, मैं उस चीज के सही बंदा नहीं हूँ। इसने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से एक्सपोज किया है क्योंकि आपके पास दो हदीसें हैं, एक हसन कैटेगरी के कि मोहम्मद ने अपनी कमीज उतारी और वड़ गया कब्र के अंदर और मुर्दा औरत के साथ सेक्स किया। वो इससे पहले ये बता रहा था कि अरबी के अंदर कहता है कि मैं अरबी बचपन से पढ़ रहा हूँ, पढ़ नहीं रहा, मैं बोलते हुए पैदा हुआ हूँ बिकॉज आई वाज बोर्न ही वाज बोर्न इन सीरिया जहाँ पे अरबी एक बेसिक लैंग्वेज है, जिस तरह यहाँ पे हिंदी लैंग्वेज है। जिस इलाके में आप पैदा हुए हैं उस इलाके की एक बेस लैंग्वेज होती है, वहां की बेस लैंग्वेज ही अरबी है। अरबी उसने सीखी नहीं है, बचपन से बोलते हुए बड़ा हुआ है। वो कह रहे हैं कि अरबी में जो लफ्ज है उस लफ्ज को सेंटेंस में किस तरीके से इस्तेमाल किया जाता है उससे उस लफ्ज का मतलब निकलता है। जिस तरह अगर आप इंडिया में भी देखो तो आप ये कहते हो कि मैं जाके सो गया, लेकिन अगर आप कहो ना कि मैं फलानी लड़की के साथ रात को मंजी पे सोया था तो वो वही वाला सोना बनता है। लेकिन ये जो लफ्ज है इसको इसको अगर आप कॉन्टेक्स्ट के अंदर देखोगे और वो स्पेशली कमीज उतार के कब्र के अंदर बढ़ रहा है तो वहां पे कब्र के अंदर सोता कोई नहीं है जाके, कब्र के अंदर कोई जाके सोएगा नहीं किसी औरत के साथ, और वो भी कमीज उतार के। तो कमीज उतार के कब्र के अंदर वड़ा है तो उसने अपनी उसके साथ डिंग डोंग किया ही किया है, वरना और कोई उसका मीनिंग निकल ही नहीं सकता अरबी के कॉन्टेक्स्ट के जब आप देखते हैं।